Chimo chamarira usanipiko. Kibazo n'umuntu turagushimiye cyane ubigenje neza. Nshimira Dr. Coulibaly umaze kuvuga, ni umuntu utuvugira cyane, avuga amateka yacu nkaho ayazi kandi arayazi neza, azabigenza neza cyane, no kumushimira kuba yaduhaye umwanya yari kutuganiriza live, ariko tuzashobotse kuba kubera gahunda nyinshi. Reka ntangire kino kiganiro cyangwa se no jambo mfite mu magambo makeya. Ibintu byinshi babivuze. Uno munsi wa none ni umunsi ugoye kuri benshi, kuri twebwe twese, uragoye ku miryango intwari zacu, ariko mureke dutangire dutanga pole. Ino pole turayitanga ku miryango y'intwari zacu, intwari zacu zose. Ndagira ngo nta muntu n'umwe hano uri mu kino kibanza taratakaje umuntu muri bino bibazo tumaze imyaka duhura nabyo. Rero intwari zacu zose n'imiryango yabo tutanze pole, ariko zino ntwari zirangaje imbere. Intwari y'ikirenga Lieutenant Colonel Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel Makanika, umuryango yanyu mwese turabihanganishije, mukomere kandi bino bihe turimo tuzabitambuka. Dutanze pole ku banyamurenge bose, aho bari, utangiriye hano muri Amerika, iwacu muri Congo. Abanyamurenge dusigaye dutuye ahantu hose, nayo ntaho tutari. Ngo abanyamurenge bose ahari yumve ngo tumuhaye pole kandi tumuyanganisha, tuvuga ngo mukomere. Bino bihe tumaze mu myaka yose ntabwo bizakomeza ngo bikomeze gutya. Hazagira umunsi umwe abana bacu bazavuga bino bibazo nko mu mateka. Mwihangane, mukomere, ntimucike intege, ibihe byiza bizaza. Eka mfata akanya gatoya nshimire abantu. Dutangire kwanza ku banyamuryango bacu b'amahoro bari hano, abanyamurenge bose bibumbiye muri uno muryango wacu mwiza dukunda w'amahoro. Turabashimiye, tubashimiye ku bintu byinshi. No seulement ibikorwa byanyu bizwi ku isi hose, twishimiye ku rukundo rwanyu, ufatikanya kwanyu no gukunda ubwoko. Turabashimiye rwose, kuko uruhare rwanyu rw'ibikorwa byanyu urazwi ku isi hose. Rero turabashimiye ku bintu mukomeje gukora, tunabasaba gukomeza gukora kuko muhamubigeza kugira ngo no seulement hari iwacu abasigaye bazabona ubufasha buturutse kuri mwebwe. Turabashimiye kandi mwumve ko ibyo mukora birazwi kandi turabizirikana cyane. Reka dushimire inzego zigize umuryango wacu w'amahoro. Uno n'umuryango ukora kugira ngo twibutse abantu, twibutse amahanga ko impamvu zatumye zino ntwara zihaguruka ziracahari. Uno munsi wa none muzi amakuru ahabera mu Minembwe, muzi za drone zihazitwika imihana, zihazica abaturage. Mwabonye ejo bundi abakecuru mu myaka 100 biciwe mu mazu yabo. Rero umunsi wa none ni ngombwa ngo tuwukora kugira ngo twibutse kandi dushira abantu imbaraga kugira ngo bakomeze gukoraho, nubwo intambara itararangira ariko necessaire. Rero going forward, uno munsi tugomba kuwucelebrating cyangwa se kuwukora, tukawukura mu miryango, kuko intwari zacu ntabwo zari intwari z'imiryango. Nubwo bafite aho bavutse, ariko tugomba kubaeleve, tukabashyira mu rwego rwa nation, tukaza tubibuka mu buryo butari specific ngo tuvuge nguyu. Tugomba kucreatinga system izazivuga uno n'umunsi w'intwari zacu nubwo tuzatugora ku munsi w'ikirenga afande general, ariko n'umunsi w'intwari zacu zose. Rero Mahoro izaza yoganiza uno muryango buri mwaka, uno muhango buri mwaka nkuko tubikora na Gatumba, kugira ngo tukomeze, kugira ngo tuheze agaciro ndetse n'iwacu nihamara tumara kugira Mahoro, ndagira ngo tuzatumekinga sure ko n'iwacu tubikora mu buryo buri specific, mu buryo buri organize, tuzamura indwara yacu ku rwego rwa nationale, tituba limite cyane mu miryango. Rero abantu nyine baba babonye ko uno mwaka wa mbere tubitangiye, hoba hariho peut-être ibintu bitagenze neza, tutabikoze uko twagombye gushaka kubikora, ariko turaprometera ko umwaka utaha n'indi myaka tuzabinonosora neza, tukabigira neza kugira ngo abantu bose biyumve muri uno munsi. Rero rwose uno munsi ni ngombwa kandi tuzakomeza kuwukora kuko bigomba. Reka mvuge gatoya ku bijyanye n'ibikorwa by'uyu muryango muri kino gihe turimo. Abavuze mbere bavuze neza, bavuze amateka y'intambara zacu, bavuze akarengane turimo tumaze imyaka, ariko ikintu batayemphasizingamo cyane ni responsibility y'imiryango n'ibihugu, international community ku bijyanye n'ubutabara ubwoko bwacu. Ubwoko bwacu ndagira ngo ni ubwoko bwonyine buhura n'inzago bakabura batabara, ni ubwoko bwonyine bangazwa bakaba mu refugee camp, ariko ukabura na organization n'imwe yovuga ngo irahagurutse ngiye gutabara mu Minembwe. Rero bimwe mu bikorwa mu muryango uzwi kandi uhawukora kandi ugomba gukora ni ukugoboka bene wacu mu bihe nk'ibi ngibi. Mwarakoze kandi mukomereza aho ngaho. Muri amezi angahe dutangiye gukora, tugiye kwenimera ibikorwa tugenda dufasha mu mavilaje yacu, especially muri bino bihe twari tugoswe, imiti twohereje mu mavilaje yacu, tangiriye mu Rurambo, za Bibogobogo, za Bijombo no Minembwe, n'abanyeshuri bacu twenyine bari mu Minembwe n'ahandi, kugira ngo bishyurirwe minervale kubera ikibazo cy'iwacu. Ababyeyi babo bamaze imyaka badakora, rero nta mafaranga bafite yo kwishyura minervale. Rero ibyo ni ibikorwa uno muryango ukora kandi ukora kubera amaboko yayo. Ejo bundi mwabonye impunzi zacu zavuye mu Buvira zihungira mu Kamanyura, nta organization n'imwe y'abatabaye, ariko kubera humanitarian effort, members of community, partners, friends, defenders of human rights and human dignity. Today we gather not only to honor the memory of a man, but to reflect on a cry he carried on behalf of an entire people. A cry that rose from the mountain of High Plateau, a cry filled with pain, resilience, and hope. A cry that simply said, "Protect my people." Our heroes made difficult choices at the time, when silence felt safer. And whatever one's perspective on the paths taken during those difficult years, history will remember one thing. They spoke at a moment when many felt abandoned, threatened, and unheard. When the Banyamulenge community faced displacement, persecution, and threat of being erased from their ancestral land, their voices became one of the few that pierced through the darkness. Today, as Mahoro Peace Association, the voice of the voiceless, we do not remember them to glorify conflict. We remember them to acknowledge the condition that forced such a plea to exist. Since 2017, the Banyamulenge community in DRC has endured a crisis that cannot be dismissed as isolated incident. We have seen systematic pattern, villages being burned, homes destroyed, cattle, the backbone of our livelihood, looted and killed, and entire communities besieged through the whole plateau. Scholars have described this as a slow genocide, a targeted elimination not only of lives but of livelihood, identity, and belonging. Thousands have fled, surviving in fragile and improvised displacement camps. Reports as recent as 2025 continue to document discrimination, hate speeches, attacks by armed groups, Mai Mai, Wazalendo, FDLR, naming but few. Let us be clear, we are not merely statistics. We are not geopolitical noise. We are human beings. We are Congolese citizens. We are mothers seeking safety for our children, farmers hoping to cultivate our land, students longing to classroom instead of conflict. What is happening in the whole plateau reflects a deliberate and calculated displacement, and it must be addressed urgently. When no one speaks, persecution intensifies. When no one intervenes, the vulnerable become targets. Mahoro Peace Association stands as a humanitarian conscience and a voice for those whose villages no longer exist, mothers working for days with children on their backs, elders who have watched their home burn. We stand firmly for this: protection of minorities, respect for identities, dignity for all citizens, and coexistence in a unified Congo. No political dispute, no military operation, and no historical grievance can ever justify attacks on civilians in our own country. And yet, as recently as December 2025 to January 2026, even today, almost March 2026. So during the brief capture of Uvira, the Banyamulenge household enjoyed renewed looting, destruction of homes and churches, and many of them displaced to Kamanyola. Not because of allegiance to any armed groups, but because of fear of stigmatization. Too many remain overcrowded, displacement are lacking security.
nuko wavyemeye tubihagazeho tuvuguruje ibi byose duhamagara kisaka vuga ngo Yesu Kristo turi kuri musozi urumuri rwawe izuba ryawe ry'agakiza izuba ry'amahoro takira mu biganza byacu takira mu biganza byacu nakuba vuga n'impamvu dufite n'ibibazo mu miryango abapfakazi barengana n'iki mukaga sebo ngoshanye nguzuja mukushahe iriya tuzatugorerwa uzaba abanyikorera narashuza nyikorera narwa ako mutege ngo ishaganye nguzuja ngo mukushahe ngo rero mushana umugore gusaza nkimari bakamu ngo ise ngo nagize gute ngo se wabaye gute kuri sobanura
Vijana